Let the valve inside return to its original position. Okay, let's try again. Did you hear that? Gas cannot pass through it. It's been fixed. Now, let's install it back. Next, I start the car. See if it can be started. If started successfully, friends, please give me a like. God will bless you if you still follow me. If you have any car questions, just come to me. Go. Put on the brakes. Start up. Look, one success. Try again. Start up. Success again. How about it? The problem is completely solved. Follow me. Learn some car knowledge every day.